Guys, there is one more question in front of us from the fundamentals. In this question, we are given the simple statement and we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Rima and Seema, they were sharing profits equally. The deed provides that Rima and Seema will get a monthly salary of 15,000 each, right? So here, monthly salary means 15,000 into 12. That would be Rima's share also and Seema's share also. So 1 lakh 80 is payable to Rima and 1 lakh 80 is payable to Seema. Now interest on capital is 5% per annum. So if we are provided with the capitals which are 5 lakh and each, right? So 5 lakhs IOC would be 5% per annum for both of them. Then interest on drawings will be charged at 10% per annum, right? So drawings are given to us again 60,000 each. Drawings, interest on drawings is always chargeable at which rate? That is average basis, because per annum is given to us. If per annum is not given, then we'll not take on average basis. If per annum is given, then we'll take it on average basis. For each of them we will take 60,000 into 10% into 6 by 12, right? So how much we gonna get from here? That is 3,000 for each of them would be the interest on drawings. In the question we are given the firm, rather than earning profit, they incurred a loss. Now case is this: when there is a loss, net loss from your P&L account, we cannot appropriate profits because there are no profits to appropriate. When there are no profits to appropriate, so we have only to write off this loss from the capital accounts of the partners, right? So now we will not do any adjustment for salary, any adjustment for IOC, but interest on drawings will be charged here. So we are preparing P&L appropriation to P&L account. There is a loss of rupees 1 lakh. It will appear on the debit side of your account, and this loss would be written off to the capital accounts of the partners, taking into consideration only one adjustment here which we have to consider, because this loss could be reduced by charging IOD, right? So interest on drawings we took over here because this is an income to the firm, so this is considered. So by interest on drawing, we have calculated here 3,000 each case. So how much is the IOD total? 6,000, 1 lakh minus 6,000. This 94,000 is going as a loss to Rima and Seema's capital account. So if there is a case of the loss, will not pay any salary, any commission, any IOC, nothing is appropriable among the partners. Only the point of IOD is considered in case of the loss. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep scoring.